Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Coinone Exchange. When you enter the website for registration, click on sign up. Check these boxes to agree into the terms and conditions of the website. And if you have an invitation code, enter it here. Finally, after agreeing to the terms and conditions of the website, click here. Enter your email, then click on next. Choose a password for your account, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols plus minimum 10 characters or more. After entering the password, repeat your password for confirmation. Click on I'm not a robot, then click on next. We're going to receive a code in our email in order to confirm it. Go to your email, click on Coinone, copy the code, then paste it here. Click on registration complete. Then we enter our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Coinone Exchange. Good luck.